Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be walking you through a super helpful process, how to create an email template in Figma using the Marca Email Generator plugin, and how this fits right into building a solid email design system. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to find the plugin, pick a template, and make it your own, all within Figma. If you're just starting out with email design or you want an efficient way to scale your workflow, this is going to be a game changer. So let's jump right in and get started together. First things first, let's open up Figma. Look towards the bottom center of your Figma workspace and you'll spot the Actions area. It's easy to miss if you haven't used it much before, but it's basically a powerhouse for getting more out of Figma with just a couple of clicks. Go ahead and click on Actions. Now inside this menu, you'll see an option for plugins and widgets. This is where you can unlock all sorts of extra tools that expand what Figma can do. Plugins are like little helpers that make specialized tasks way easier, and today we're going to use one especially made for emails. Next, let's actually look for the Marca Email Generator. In the search bar at the top of the Plugins and Widgets panel, start typing Marca Email Generator. Take a second to double-check the spelling. Figma's plugin search is pretty forgiving, but you want to make sure you're opening the right one. Once you spot Marca Email Generator in the list, just click to open it. Sometimes it'll need a quick install if you haven't used it before, but don't worry, Figma handles this for you in a few seconds. Alright, with the Marca plugin open in Figma, we're ready to move on to the fun part, templates. Inside Marca, go to the Templates section, here, where the real time saver comes in. You'll see a library of pre-made email templates, all designed to look good and work well in real-world inboxes. This is perfect if you want to avoid starting totally from scratch every time you need a new design. Browse through the options, maybe look for one that fits the mood of your email, whether you want something clean and minimal or maybe a bit more colorful and eye-catching. Take your time here and remember, you don't have to find a template that's perfect right away because we're going to customize it in the next step. Once you found the template you want, simply select it. In just a moment, it'll appear right there in your Figma file. It's kind of like magic, you've got a whole email layout ready to go without needing to draw boxes or hunt for headers. This is especially helpful if you're building out an email design system for your team, since consistency matters so much in emails, and these templates make it easy to start from a reliable foundation. Now comes the creative part, customizing your template. This is where you get to put your brand's personality or your client's style into the design. Click on any element you want to change. The logo, the text, images, button colors, you name it. Drag things around, swap in your own color palette, tweak the spacing. What's so powerful about editing in Figma is that it's non-destructive and super visual. You'll see updates live as you make them. And don't worry if something doesn't look quite right at first. Take your time here, experiment, and remember, even the best designers usually go through a few drafts to get things just right. Once you're happy with your new email design, you can export, share with your team, or keep building out more templates for your design system. And there you have it, a quick, efficient way to create beautiful, consistent email templates in Figma using the Marca Email Generator plugin. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a like, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Figma plugin you'd like a walkthrough for. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials just like this. Thanks so much for watching.